especially like to thank the person that shook up this mineral water. Cooled me off a bit today. So on behalf of PFG, I want to express how extremely excited we are to have you here at our state-of-the-art Gilroy, California facility, which will serve as our company's flagship distribution warehouse for sustainability and innovation initiatives. A lot of work goes into these events, so I definitely want to recognize a couple of people on our team, as well as several that made this happen today. So Scott Golden heads our communication group, tremendous venue, couldn't have ordered up a better day. Glenn Lampkin, Sean Jones from our transportation teams, really establishing the partnerships and identifying this site as where we want to move forward, and really just focus on everything innovation, see what works, what we're going to move forward with, but just great collaboration. Also, we have many partners here, as you all know, and you'll get a chance to see them later. But I'd like to thank Advanced Energy Machines, FreeWire, Grid Market, and Volvo Trucks North America for being here today and really being true partners. Last but not least, I'd like to thank the California Air Resources Board for trusting us with HVIP funding to help move this project forward, and the California Energy Commission's Energized Commercial Vehicles Program for their help in developing our on-site charging infrastructure. Both of these organizations played an extremely instrumental role in ensuring that our investments were both strategic and impactful, setting a benchmark for sustainability in the food distribution industry. Food distribution is an essential service and is critical to the companies and communities where we serve. At PFG, we understand the importance of being responsible stewards of the environment and protecting it for future generations. We remain committed to mitigating and reducing our environmental footprint through the efficient use of natural resources and the advancement of sustainable practices throughout the supply chain. And that water got all of my notes, so part of our environmental strategy calls for the advancement of low carbon technologies for powering our distribution centers and freight transportation. This enables us to effectively decrease and in some cases eliminate emissions related to powering our fleet and refrigerating our trailers. Over the last few years, we've conducted a greenhouse gas emission analysis and established a baseline as the foundation for developing a carbon reduction roadmap, and we then began evaluating several different pathways for reducing our emissions across the operations. Just to put it in perspective, as a company, our entire Scope 1 and 2 emission, 2/3 are related to diesel. With over 8,000 tractors and 9,000 trailers on the road each day across the organization, diesel is where we're focusing the most. Power to our facilities is second at 20%. So all of our efforts focus on the top two categories, and those represent nearly 90% of our overall emissions. We are actively getting much deeper into the process of building out our plans to continue to achieve these reductions. This location, Gilroy, is a strong example of the progress we've made, and I'd like to highlight a few of those features today. Here in Gilroy, we currently have a fleet of 6 Class 8 Volvo VNR electric trucks and a zero-emission yard truck. This exemplifies our move toward zero tailpipe emission transportation. That number will continue to grow over the coming months. Partnering with FreeWire Technologies, we've installed a charging island capable of charging up to 2 tractors, simultaneously ensuring operational efficiency and resiliency. We've got 6 now, capable up to 30 in the short term, so we can quickly go to 5x what we have today. We've also deployed more than 30 solar electric transportation refrigeration units from Advanced Energy Machines, representing breakthrough, zero emissions, multi-temp controlled trailer technology. Each of the electric TRU installations has helped us eliminate approximately 20 tons of carbon per TRU per year. And finally, to help us power the facility in a sustainable manner, we've utilized rooftop solar power and battery storage in our partnership with Grid Market. The installation was by a renewable energy developer team, Energized and NBL Energy. All of this highlights our commitment to clean energy and reducing reliance on traditional grid power sources. As mentioned before, each of our vendor partners are here today, and we are proud to highlight how collaborating toward a common goal can make such a significant impact. I urge you to visit each of these companies and learn about their technology and solutions that played a key role in this facility, as well as learn about all of the other solutions they've implemented across this and other industries. Beyond this location, we continue to work on other opportunities. Not only only are we deploying zero-emission electric vehicles, but we are also piloting other innovative technologies to confirm whether or not they can be a fit in our operations. Back in January, to much fanfare, we introduced 4 hydrogen fuel cell Hyzon trucks to the fleet at another one of our PFG operation facilities. We will continue to analyze innovative technology to power our tractors and trailers with electric and other alternative fuel solutions and implement what works best depending on the need. So we don't see it as a one-size-fits-all solution everywhere. We see it as an evolving landscape. We will continue to innovate and use facilities like this to test what will and won't work. Promise I'm almost done. So as I mentioned earlier, none of this would be possible without the support of CARB and the California Energy Commission. So with that said, I'm very happy to introduce the chair of the California Energy Commission, David Hochschild. Mr. Hochschild was appointed chair of the California Energy Commission by Governor Gavin Newsom in February of 2019. He fills the environmental position on the 5-member commission, where 4 of the 5 members are required by law to have professional training in specific areas: engineering or physical science, environmental protection, economics, and law. For his work to advance clean energy, Chair Hope was awarded the Sierra Club's Trailblazer Award, the American Lung Association's Clean Air Hero Award, and the U.S. Department of Energy's Million Solar Roof True Champion Award. So I'd be remiss if I didn't use a bit of flattery to ask for continued support and to recap those awards. He is a trailblazer, a hero, and a champion of our efforts.